In this video, I'll show you how you can add friends on Roblox. Now this is super simple, guys, so this is how you do it. If you're in a game with people, you can simply click on their name in the right corner, but if you want to add them from the Roblox website, you can click on the search button, search for the name. Let's say their name is just random 49. Then you want to go to people, 49 people, go in here. Okay, we need to be a little longer, 491. And from in here, you'll be able to see the people with their name. So you can simply click add friend or click on them to go to their profile and make sure it's the correct person. From in here, you simply press add friend and you'll add them as a friend. Then they have the option to accept it or deny. That's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.